Welcome back. If you're a subscriber, I'm glad to have you again. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy what we have to offer. Wanted to kind of apologize first. It's been a week or so since I last posted. I've been frantically preparing for my upcoming travels. So it's getting close. Still a lot to do, but we're almost there. So, before I kind of get into today's treat that we have from Sammy in Moshi, Tanzania, I just wanted to, kind of reiterate why we started this channel back in May of this year. The original intent was to kind of give you an inside perspective on certain countries in East Africa primarily, and give you an overview of what it's like, what you can expect, etc. And then also to help you plan and prepare for your own African journey. It's been, for the last few months, a fantastic journey for me. I've learned so much about how to present information, what's important to you, what's important to other people that may be interested in going to Africa. So that intent is still here. As a matter of fact, that's one of my missions on my upcoming travels, is to kind of do a deeper dive and give you better insight, right, into what you can expect. I've gotten a lot of feedback from a lot of different people, so I think I know what you'd like to see and how you like to see it, right? So that's my mission as I prepare for my upcoming travels through a number of different countries. I think we've documented that before. And again, just to let you know, the reason why I travel, right? People have different reasons for getting away, right? That's the number one reason, right? Let's get away from our grind, our daily grind, and go do something different, right? And enjoy life. And that certainly holds true for me. But I think more than that, I kind of did some self introspection, if you will, and what drives me, what motivates me, why do I travel, why do I enjoy traveling? And for me, it's not necessarily the things that I see or I want to see. It's more of the things that I want to experience, right? I started traveling in Africa anyway, 12 years ago, right? And I have encountered so many wonderful experiences and people along the way. And granted, I've seen many beautiful things. I mean, beautiful beaches and mountains and waterfalls and the Eiffel Tower and the Northern Lights, right? And the pyramids, and it goes on and on. And that's great. But I think if I reflect back, right, the things, I guess, that have left an indelible impression on me are the experiences, the people that I've met along the way, interacting, very, very closely with people of different cultures, different backgrounds, different languages, seeing how they live, right? And what they do, what their struggles are. We all have struggles. We're human, right? We just have different types of struggles. And for me, it helps me, I guess, gain some perspective, right, on the world at large, right? We have here in the U.S. our quote-unquote first world problems, right? Well, people all over the world are dealing with problems, right? Life, just me personally, recently I've been handed a bushel of lemons, okay, on a personal level. And so what I've decided to do with that bushel of lemons is to make lemonade, right? And so when I travel, I really like to explore these cultures and these people and what they're doing in their daily lives, right? So, over the years, I've done so many different things. I mean, I've helped people pull fishing nets in. I've sewn children's school uniforms at an orphanage. I've helped build building blocks, for the mortar mix. I've made chapati over an open fire. These things are what drives me, right? So on my travels, you're going to see a lot of that. And obviously, you're going to see some beautiful scenery and places as well. But I think more than anything, you're going to see people, right? And understand who they are, where they came from, and how they live. And today's video from Sammy is a great example of that. She spent the day with friends shucking corn. Well, you say, that's not very exciting, right? Well, it may not be, right? But I guarantee you, if you spend half a day with these people, whether it's shucking corn or picking tomatoes or building blocks or whatever it may be. I've done furniture. I built, help people build furniture. Total strangers. Walk up to them and say, hey, I know a little bit about woodworking. Can I help you? Well, they welcome you in and you learn so much, right? But not only do you learn about shucking the corn, but what do you do while you're shucking the corn with total strangers in an African village? You don't know these people, but you do after you finish spending the day with them. And that is what drives me, right? So that purpose is what this channel is all about, okay? Africa, is such a diverse continent. Everything, from culture, biodiversity, geographical diversity, cultural diversity, language diversity, it just goes on and on. It is such a diverse continent. You could spend a lifetime there and not see it all, not experience it all, right? And contrary to popular belief or opinion, Africa is much, much more than a safari or a mission trip. Okay, certainly that's a part of the experience that people envision, but that just scratches the very, very top of the surface of what Africa is all about. So that's what I intend to do over the next however long it's going to be while I'm over there. I'm going to give you some insight into how people live, right? And what you can expect. We're going to give you high-end hotels. We're going to give you the village experience and everything in between, right? And then you get to pick and choose what you decide you want your African adventure to look like, right? So with that said, I think Sammy has, Sammy is a partner of mine in Tanzania. If you ever want she's based in the Kilimanjaro area. If you ever are looking for a tour guide, someone that can help you in that area, please look her up. She has a personality that's just infectious. She knows the area, and she's really good at what she does. And she spent the day with some friends, and I just wanted to share that with you. That's really what prompted me to put this video out today, right? Because I think it's I don't know, it's important to me, and I certainly hope it's important to you. So with that, I'll turn you over to Sammy. Thanks.
It's Sammy again, Sammy Tanzania or Sammy Jaden Tanzania. I'm here to show you how maize it's function in Moshi town. And here I'm in the farm of maize. As you can see here behind me, this is the farm of maize. This is how it looks, as you can see. So here I have the maize that it has not yet been harvested. So I'll go to show you how they harvest and how they peel these things, and they will use it for the maize flour to cook ugali. You're welcome. Let's go and see. And here we go. Now they are harvesting. So this is the maize when it's harvested already. Then you go how they peel. And this is how they peel. Moshi with the maize which are peeled already. You are highly welcome. This visit Moshi, the small town but blessed with Mount Kilimanjaro. You are highly welcome. Come and see how local people live and learn more about Moshi. This is how they peel. They do it like this. Then you meet the corn. And this is the corn. This is how they peel. So there are many, as you can see here. We have already peeled them already. Okay. Proceed. Visit Moshi and we learn how people live. You see, we have different names. The yellow one and the white one. So this is how we function. And these are the 3 stages of maize. Before peeled, after peeled, and when it's ready to make the flour. This is how it is. And it packed already. So we have 2 different types of maize. The white one for ugali flour, and the yellow one is good for make porridge, mostly to children, even adults. You can take the porridge and drink. It's good. Last month we used to harvest the beans, and now it's maize. You are highly welcome. Visit Moshi and taste ugali maize. If you haven't tasted, then visit Moshi and taste it. So sweet, local food from Tanzania.